AKENYA aria makoretwo magietha motungata ma passport riu mari na gitumi gia gukenerera thutha wa thirikari kwiranira kuhurana na ndamathi ya ungumania iria ikoretwo itambite ta miri ya mikongo nyumba-ini ya NYAYO. Akiaria icera-ini riake tauni-ini ya THIKA, MINISTA wa UGITIRI wa THIINI Kithure Kindiki augite akoretwo ahurite kambi nyumba-ini ya NYAYO kwa mweri umwe riu ihinda-ini riria akoretwo aking'ethanira na TURIANIME thutha wa Kenya gukaya ni gwitio MAHAKI na kuimwo motungata. Kindiki acakaite ati AKENYA ingi na makiria ria makoretwo makienda guthie gwetha motungata ma thibitari thi cia nanja makoretwo makiagagio, akiranira kunina ungumania kaimana nyumba-ini ya NYAYO guthie na mbere.
We have decided to implement the government policy on zero tolerance on corruption. Therefore, no member of the public service, no officer is supposed to demand bribes from members of the public to offer services that are supposed to be offered free of charge.
Kindiki ni arutite mukana muhiu kuri maafitha thirikari aria makoretwo magitia MAHAKI ministry-ini itiganite, akihinyiriria Kenya mabatie kuheo motungata gutari gwitio MAHAKI o mothe, akiuga maafitha aria mekunyitikana magikuruhania na ungumania ni megutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
Kuna maneno ya rushwa katika ofisi za serikali. Hakuna ofisa wote wa umma ako na ruhusa kuitisha ongo ili apatiane huduma ambaye inatakikana kupatianwa bure. And in case a certain service requires the payment of statutory charges and fees which are gazetted, then the service charter must provide the services where government fees are applicable, and as you are aware, the government has directed there will be no payment of government fees in cash again.
Mubunge wa THIKA Alice Ng'ang'orio kumanite thutha na Kindiki ahowete thirikari kuongerera THIKA ngari cia miriongo ya borithi niguo kugacirithia ugitiri matura-ini ngurani ta Kiandutu, Ngoigwa, THIKA irathiro undu umwe na Makongeni.
THIKA constituency pamoja na Juja constituency pamoja na Ruiru constituency, our population is very high. Hata ikifika maneno ya askari CS, ningetaka uandike hapo tuwapatiwe maaskari wa kutosha, tupatiwe magari ya kuturinda za kutosha.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma tauni-ini ya THIKA kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Mathew Ndung'u.